Bodyweight exercises have become increasingly popular in the fitness world thanks to their simplicity and effectiveness. One such exercise is the push-up, a timeless classic that continues to be a go-to for fitness enthusiasts and beginners alike. Push-ups are incredibly versatile, requiring no equipment and offering a full-body workout that can be done anywhere, anytime. If you're looking for a quick, efficient way to build strength and tone your body, doing push-ups every day for just 1 minute can make a significant difference. Whether you are short on time or looking to add a new challenge to your routine, here's what happens when you commit to daily push-ups. Number 1. It strengthens your upper body. Push-ups primarily target your chest, shoulders, and triceps, making them one of the best exercises for building upper body strength. Over time, daily push-ups will lead to stronger, more defined muscles in these areas. You'll also notice improvements in your ability to perform other exercises that require upper body strength, such as bench presses or shoulder presses. Number 2. It engages your core. While push-ups are known for working the upper body, they also engage your core muscles, including the abs, obliques, and lower back. Maintaining proper form during push-ups requires core stability, which in turn helps to tone and strengthen these muscles. As you get better at push-ups, your core will become more stable, which is beneficial for overall fitness and daily activities. Number 3. It improves your posture. Regular push-ups can do wonders for your posture. By strengthening the muscles in your upper body and core, push-ups help you stand taller and sit with better alignment. Good posture not only reduces the risk of back pain, but also enhances your overall appearance and confidence. Number 4. It boosts your cardiovascular health. Push-ups are a compound exercise, meaning they work multiple muscle groups at once. This requires your heart to pump more blood to deliver oxygen to these muscles, which can improve cardiovascular health. Even a short, 1-minute push-up session can get your heart rate up, contributing to better heart health over time. If you find this information helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn all notifications on to stay updated with our latest fitness tips. Number 5. It enhances mental resilience. Engaging in a daily push-up routine can also benefit your mental health. The physical challenge of push-ups, especially when done consistently, can help build mental resilience. Overcoming the discomfort and pushing through the burn can boost your confidence and reduce stress. Additionally, the endorphin release from exercise can improve your mood and help combat feelings of anxiety or depression. Number 6. It increases metabolic rate. Push-ups not only build muscle but also boost your metabolism. The more muscle mass you have, the more calories your body burns at rest. By incorporating daily push-ups into your routine, you can increase your metabolic rate, which can help with weight management and fat loss. Number 7. It enhances overall functional strength. Push-ups are a functional exercise, meaning they mimic movements you perform in everyday life. Whether you're pushing open a door or lifting a heavy object, the strength you gain from daily push-ups will make these tasks easier. This makes push-ups a practical addition to any fitness routine. So are you ready to start your push-up journey? If you commit to doing push-ups every day for 1 minute, you're likely to see noticeable improvements in your strength, posture, and overall fitness within just a few weeks. Don't forget to track your progress and share your results after a month. Thank you for watching. Please share your thoughts on our video in the comment section below. If you found it enjoyable, we encourage you to share it with your social circle on Facebook, WhatsApp, and X as well.